As winter approaches, making sure the hot air is flowing is a must here in the Midwest. One MOLINE homeowner is sharing with us what he does to make sure that happens after he had pipes freeze on him a few years ago. That is tonight's top story. He tells me he has a MOLINE company do regular checks of his furnace. That's to make sure parts like the heat exchanger and burners are in working order, and also that filters are changed for safety. He tells me what brought him to take full precaution this time of year. Getting the furnace checked like this one in MOLINE is helping homeowners have relief heading into winter. That goes for Bob Poor, who had a disaster on his hands during sub-zero temperatures a few years ago.
Like the 3rd of January, we had a pipe burst and flooded the TV room and ruined the carpet, and the ceiling collapsed. It was a nightmare.
After spending many years as a naval officer in San Diego, returning to the Midwest was a stark reminder of what a harsh winter could be.
Moving here to Western Illinois, we realized that we needed to be serious about our furnace and house safety and so on. So we set up a maintenance plan with Doug's Heating and Air Conditioning, and they come out twice a year.
Going into the winter months, it's good to do preventative maintenance, get your furnace checked out. We come in, we clean everything up.
It's work that Matt HINES and his staff do to give homeowners like Poor the reassurance they need.
It gives us tremendous peace of mind. Because who knows what this winter will be in store for us. Based on it being 2020 and the other crazy things that have happened this year, I think the sky's the limit potentially on how terrible the weather could be, or how cold it'll get, or how much snow we'll get. So yeah, we want to make sure that the furnace will meet our needs through the entire winter.
Doug's Heating and Air recommends that you get your furnace checked twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. Now, another way to be safe this winter is making sure carbon monoxide detectors are functioning and you have proper insulation. Crawford Company in Rock Island tells us that's especially important if you have gas appliances. A spokesperson says doing some simple things around the house can make a big difference in your heating bill.
There's a few things that homeowners can do to make sure that they're optimizing their home's comfort. One would be making sure that all of your registers are open and not covered by furniture. Also fixing any drafty windows or doors.
Now, Adams told me Crawford technicians look at the moving parts and electrical connections of the furnace to make sure they're safe and efficient.